Today is a real treat for those of you who just want to see the wax being removed. No long explanations, no precision work, just 3 patients and 3 uber fast earwax removals. And we begin. Meet Queen Celsi Baratheon. Right ear, partially blocked, following a good oiling. In the Zollner goes and it attaches beautifully. As my amazing subscriber Tracy Cudmore says, wiggle motion is activated. We get a piece breaking off into the suction tip, but I keep going with the blanketing. A very long keratin layer on the side attaches while I try to blanket it over to the other side. The last piece wants to hold on for dear life, but I manage to prise it away. Quite stubborn. Bits of keratin visible and still some wax in the outer portion. Almost a thick layer of it. Here I clear this up. And the final eardrum. Beautiful. Next, patient 2. Similar blockage, quite light coloured wax. Hasn't been in there for very long, but a completely different patient. Tormund Giantsbane. Oiled Zollner in, and we have attachment. I keep the Zollner tip in one place and immediately it all gets sucked up. The ear canal skin has turned pink instantly, but I want to get a little more of that keratin. Now I've stepped back from precision work in these recent videos because the stats are showing that that's where the drop-off tends to happen. I'm sorry if you're a regular viewer who enjoys that. Do let me know in the comments below. Now watch this. Patient 3, Sandor Clegane. This is the one that you've been waiting for. Dark, medium, soft blockage. Now nicely oiled. Suction tip in, and we have instant lockdown on the plug surface. Wiggle while pulling out, and look at that. A huge, juicy plug instantly comes away. Very long and dark. This one has been in there for a while. You can see just how substantial it is. Now the eardrum, and look closely. You can see there's a narrowing of the canal at the deeper end. Now repeated exposure to cold water, common in divers and surfers, can lead to bony growths inside the ear canal. Medically, this is called exostosis. Fascinating. See you in the next one. Now look what I found in this ear. Toilet tissue fibres.